This is a short video on flash fill, how to use flash fill feature in MS Excel. So you can see already created chart over here where I have applied the flash fill feature. So let me take a fresh worksheet over here and let me show you how to use flash fill. For example, we have got few names over here from Akshat Aman to Yes Banerjee. So if it is asked to extract the first name and the last name separately in these two particular columns, in the B and C columns, okay, obviously we are not going to type all the names, first names and last names manually through keyboard. So there is an option called flash fill in MS Excel. Okay, so all you have to do is just fill up the first name and last name for the very first name, that is Akshat Aman. Okay, so we have got Akshat. Okay, and it's the first name of this guy. And okay, next what we have to do, either we can go for a shortcut key called control plus E, fine, or else we can directly move to the fill option over here. You can see the fill option over here below auto sum. Okay, click on it and click on the flash fill. Okay, and you can see all the first name of this column A are extracted in this B column. Okay, and same way you can go for the last name. I'll write Aman, same way it is written in the column A, and keep it selected and go to the fill option over here and click on flash fill, or you can press Control plus E. You can see the shortcut key over here, Control plus E. Okay, and you can see all the last names are extracted. Okay, same way I wish to have a particular specific kind of email ID for all of the students over here in the email ID column D. So let me give an example: aksat@gmail.com. Fine, and I want in the same pattern to be all the email IDs to be with the first name followed by @gmail.com. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll keep it selected and then I will click on fill and select flash fill, and you can see the email IDs for rest of the students are self-created using flash fill feature following this pattern: first name followed by the @gmail.com. Okay, so like this way you can use flash fill. One more scenario we have got here, like uh, the names are not in a proper case, means they all are in lower case. So I want it them in a in a same format, like this, in a proper format. Okay, I want the first letter of Akshat to be capital and the first letter of Aman to be capital, means in a proper format I need it. So how I'll do it, simply you need to set an example over here like AX Sat, fine, and next I'll click Control plus E. I'll go for fill option, or I can press Control plus E keeping it selected, and you can see now all the names are in the proper format. Okay, in a proper case it is, in a proper alphabetical case it is, fine. Next I want the initials for on these students, like the short forms. For Akshat Aman I can give AA, for Iman Mundu I can give EM. Okay, EM, like this way. So I instead of typing for all of the students, okay, I can simply select any one of these cells and press Ctrl E, and it will be taken care by flash fill. Next we have this first name and last names already been given, and now I want it to be concatenated to all together in this single column. Means it should be in this way altogether. Fine. So what I will do, same way, I'll set an example over here, Sataman. Fine. I've given an example to the cell, and next I'll apply flash fill, and flash fill will follow the same pattern for rest of the names. And you can see all the names are now in a concatenate mode, mean all together. So first name and last names are all together. Fine. Next, here we have series of few dates. Okay, and now from these dates I want only the years, only the years, means 2020, 2021, 2022, and so on. I want the all the years to be extracted here. So for the first cell I'll set an example 2020, and I'll apply control plus E, or I can go to the flash fill, and all the years from this date column will be extracted here. Fine. So like this way we can work with flash fill.